that we are the first customer in Nilgiris district for Nibav Lifts. How we chose this is we started our construction in June 2020. My husband was in this service, he served in the army, so he plans everything meticulously. So initially itself, he thought of installing lift in our house because our house is 3-story. So he consulted with our architect who is based in Chennai. Through him, we got the reference of Nibav Lifts. Why we chose it? Because being 3-story, we wanted to accommodate elderly people and disabled who can easily get inside our house without much difficulty in climbing steps or using the steps. That's why we installed the lift. Apart from user-friendly, the Nibav Lift, look-wise also, it's very sleek and gelled with our decor, and everybody appreciates the look of Nibav Lifts, and it enhances our house decor. And the difficulties which we faced is, even when my husband was away for 2 days in Chennai, I had also gone through it personally, because of hills also, the pressure, high pressure, they couldn't identify because we are the first customer. So we had initial hiccups, like when the voltage problem was solved, when the stabilizer, the company which we bought, they resolved it. So finally now our lift is functioning well and we are happy.